This is the smartest path to making $10,000 a month in 2023. Let me guess, you're expecting some magic pill that guarantees instant riches? You crave cheat codes and shortcuts. But the root of the problem lies within. The key is to look directly at yourself, not in every other direction. So, as the title suggests, let's explore the smartest route to $10K a month in 2023. It all starts with you, just like Abraham Lincoln said, "Sharpen your axe." Monk Mode, a protocol I formulated, is your tool for transformation. Monk Mode, Monk Mode, Monk Mode. It's transformed thousands of lives. If you're unsure about which business model to pursue, check my video. Now, let's dive into executing Monk Mode. In 2023, starting with 21 days. Meditation, just 10 minutes a day. Sharpens your mind over time. Exercise for 30 minutes daily, the foundation of a strong body and mind. No alcohol or weed, don't escape your problems, face them. These three are non-negotiables. The pillars of Monk Mode. But beyond that, you can customize your Monk Mode protocol or set your own goals. Your unique variables depend on your current life challenges. This isn't a quick fix scheme. It's about lasting change. Don't fall for tactics and shortcuts. Focus on strengthening yourself. 2023 is your year. No more lies. No more excuses. Seize it.